At 5, just as football season is about to kick off, we have an important safety alert about football helmets. Thousands of helmets used by students across the country are now being recalled. As consumer reporter Marilyn Moritz explains, the helmets can crack, putting players at risk.
For students on the football field, protective gear is vital. Perhaps most critical, the helmet. But now a recall of nearly 6,000 Zenith helmets. The shells of the helmets can crack, putting young football players at risk of head injuries. No injuries have been reported. The recall involves 3 models: the Zenith Epic Varsity, X2 Varsity, and X2E Varsity and Youth. These helmets receiving the highest 5-star rating in the Virginia Tech helmet ratings. The recalled models were sold as new or factory reconditioned between May 2015 and last March.
They were sold at stores and directly to schools. We contacted a few of the larger school districts. So far, Northside, San Antonio, and Judson tell us they don't use that brand. Still, if your child plays football, you might want to check with your district.
To see if a helmet is affected, look for the serial number on the white sticker inside the helmet. Then we have a link to the complete list of recalled serial numbers on ksat.com. Also, thousands of children's dressers are recalled because unless they're anchored to the wall, they pose a serious tip-over danger. The white 4-drawer chests sold under the Storybook brand at Walmart.com were made between April and May of this year. The manufacturer, Solder Woodworking, is sending free repair kits or will give you your money back. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.